guys, welcome to my PP channel, your programming port, where you can learn everything about your computer science. So you know about last time we were taking HTML, and in HTML we were understanding about the table tag, and we have some coding also, like we have left it last time at this position, like we have made one tags coding here, that in HTML we are taking here one table and one caption, and in TR we are taking three headings, and in TR we are taking three records by using the TD data, and it will result us as student record. This is done, and it will look like this manner, and marks Rekha 10th 89. So we can see this result on your computer browser. So yes, now this is proper. So we can see we don't have a border of this table, but we always suppose when we are making a table, we always suppose there should be a border in between row and column. So for this we have some attribute of the table, like we have a attribute that is border. So today we will understand this attribute very clearly, and let's understand about this attribute. So first we are talking about the border. This attribute used to specify the border of the table. Like when you run this command on your system, now you always see your table is your data is arranged in the table manner, but there is no row and column border present in your table. So for making the border, for showing your border, you will use what? Border attribute of the table. Okay, next one is what? Border color. It is used to formatting the border, like you don't want the border color as black always, you just want to change the color of the border. So you can use this border color in the table starting tag. Okay, so it is used to specify the color of the table border. Got it? Now another one is frame. It is also used to format your border. So frame is used to along with the border attribute. Remember, we can't use this attribute without border attribute. If you are not using border attribute, you can't see the effect of the frame attribute. So we always use this frame attribute along with border attribute. This attribute allow you to state which portion of the border will display. Okay, like sometimes we always find some border is present when we are assigning the border attribute to our table tag, but like we don't want the same pattern every time, we just want to formatting there, so we will use the frame attribute. We have lots of value of the frame. We can pass these value in the frame attribute, and we can get the result according to this value. Let's understand them. Above, for assigning this attribute to our frame, we always find the edge at the top of the table. The top edge, you always see the top edge is visible, and another are disappear. Next is below. This display the bottom edge only. Border, it displays the four sides of the border. And next is box. It is same as border, you can't see some differences between them. They are all about to same. Okay, next is S side, display top and the bottom edge. LHS, display left edge only. You can see the left edge is displaying on the browser, and another are not displaying. RHS, display right edge only, and void, display no border only. Like we always find there is no border, so we rarely use this value, but sometimes you need some you are using border, but sometimes you don't want to show their border, so you can use this value in the frame. Okay, next one is v side. V side display left and right edge, left and right edge in the table border. Okay, so where you will write this attribute, you will write this attribute in the table starting tag. Okay, I am writing this part for understanding here. I will write here. Okay, so how to format your table? You will write in the table starting tag. First is I am taking border. So in border you can assign the value any in the numbering part, like in a number you can pass any number. Here like I am giving 5, so border width will be appear in the 5 pixel. Okay, if I am passing here px pixel, or you can see little bit width is 5 there. Okay, next one is what? Border color. So border color is used to changing the color of the border. So I am giving here blue. Remember, you always pass this string is text in between the double quote. Okay, next one is we are passing here frame. So we will write it also in the table tag frame, like I am giving only one frame, like LHS, no, V site. Okay, frame. So we are passing here v side, we are passing 3 types of attribute of the table, and you can see it result better in on computer screen. So let us understand this attribute and the table tag with practically understanding them very clearly. Let's move to our screen. Let's go.
So this is our computer screen, and now I'm opening Notepad. So you can type here, or you can find yeah, here's Notepad. I'm clicking here. So this is my Notepad, and here I'm writing all the code like HTML head, then title, and in title I'm giving the table tag as a title of the web page. Now closing of the title. Next I'm giving head, closing the head because the work of the head is finished, and I'm using the table in the body section of the web page, so that's why I have taken here body tag, and in body tag I have taken table, and then caption, and in caption I'm giving student record, and student record I'm giving here student record, yes. And now close the caption. After that we have to take heading of the table. So for this, we are creating tr for creating a row. So in the row we are taking first heading as th stand for, as I told you, what is table heading. And table heading I'm passing one value, that is name, and another is pasting here same for changing its name. So second is class, and third one is marks. So role of the first tr is finished, so I'm closing the tr here. Next one I'm taking a record. For taking record I'm passing here another tr. This is the second row of my table, and here I'm giving table data and td. So td stand for table data. So here I'm passing one record as Radha. Second one I'm passing here, yeah, 10th, so the superscript in th for th. So I'm taking sup superscript. We have already discussed about the superscript tag. Next one is td. I'm closing the td. And next one is for marks, I'm writing here 89. Now close the td, and after this I'm closing the tr, and then I'm copying this part for taking another record. So I'm copying it and pasting here, yeah. So I'm changing here another record as Rekha, yeah. Now let it be same 10th class, and changing the data as 79 for the marks. And now the rule of the table is finished, and here I'm closing the table. And now close the body tag and HTML, and now save your data. So I'm saving this part, and on the desktop, so on the desktop I'm typing here as table.html, and save. And you can see your default browser's icon is present as table.html. So my default browser is Explorer, so I'm opening it with Chrome. So yeah, opening here. So this Chrome is taking. Yeah, this is our Chrome, and you can see the result will be here. Yeah, you can see the result as, yeah, this is our record, student record. Everything is proper mannered in table format, but you can't see the border. For this we are using the all the attribute. We will do the practical of border also, so you have to pass this attribute in the table tag. So here I'm passing here border, and border I'm giving the value as 5. So you can see some thickness of the border will present, and you can see the border of the table of the web page. So let's refresh this part. So I'm refreshing it. Yeah, you can see the border of the table. This is in gray color, so I'm changing its color also, and I'm using another attribute as a border color. So in border color I'm passing here blue, and you can see the result here in the Chrome. And refresh this part. Yeah, this is available in blue color. Your border is available, the table border is available in blue color. Next, last one is frame. So frame is formatting your border. So we are using the frame. I'm taking 2 or 3 value for as seeing the example here. So I am passing here as first V side, vertical side. So you can see the vertical border is present here, left and right. So this is a vertical border. And now I'm changing another data. I'm setting a frame value as 1 second. I'm setting frame value as S side. Side is, you can see the horizontal data is present, horizontal edge is present. And you can now another one I'm taking here, what like we are taking here box. Okay, so as the box, you can see the result here. You can see the as your table present as a every side's edge is present. It is simply seen as a box. So this is our practical for understanding a border, table tag, tr tag, th tag, td tag, and everything. Last one I'm again changing LHS, left hand side. So you can see the edge is present left side of the table. So this is our practical. Hope you understand, guys. So you have any problem, then you can ask me. You can comment here. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much.